Welcome to AI Budgeting Mastery 2026. Free tools, smarter spending, wealth ignited. Budgeting is your financial battlefield. Inflation and rising living costs crush dreams every month. Hidden subscriptions drain your power daily. Manual tracking is too slow for 2026 warfare, but AI tools fight back instantly, turn chaos into control empire. AI equals budget rocket fuel, personalized insights without the manual grind, spot spending leaks before destruction, ignite savings momentum in seconds, analyze months of data instantly, forecast wealth under inflation pressure. This is unstoppable power. Zero cost, infinite control. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, custom prompt magic for budgeting and forecasting. Cleo, the sassy coach with savings strikes and nudges. NerdWallet, the free tracking fortress. Rocket Money, the subscription slayer and leak detector. All beginner-friendly, no premium required. 15 minutes to dominate spending. Acquire intel. Export transaction CSV and anonymize data. Ignite command. Open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Launch prompt. Paste data plus zero-based request. Blueprint. Receive instant spending plan. Execute. Review and tweak monthly. You're now in command. Welcome to your AI wealth cockpit. Income, expenses, savings, insights, all in one view. Prompt example. Create a zero-based monthly budget where every dollar is assigned using realistic US categories. Here's my take-home pay and these expenses. AI delivers clear breakdowns, savings targets, and inflation-aware optimizations. Your personalized command center for smarter moves. Know your forces. The edge? Zero cost and conversational. Instant pattern recognition. Flexible what-if scenarios. The risk? Hallucinations. Always double-check math. Privacy. Training data risks. Requires manual sanity checks. Use wisely. The advantages dominate. Rules of the elite. Shield up. Never share bank logins or SSN in any chat. Stealth mode. Anonymize all CSV data before pasting. Verify. Combine AI speed with manual checks or trusted app. Opt out. Use do not train settings where possible. Follow B's. Stay secure. Level up fast. From spending chaos to empire. Tangled red webs of errors and overwhelm on one side. Clean, glowing golden paths of precision, clarity, and legacy on the other. AI budgeting shifts you from chaos to empire. One prompt, one review at a time. Your move. Right now, download one tracker, NerdWallet or Rocket Money. Run one prompt. Analyze my spending. Comment, AI budget activated when you start. Subscribe and build the empire together. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Consult a qualified professional for your specific situation. Individual results vary, and past performance does not guarantee future results.